Video number 11. Top WhatsApp automation tools and services. Wasify. With Wasify, you can distinguish yourself from the competition by enjoying its unique service. It allows you to manage WhatsApp from your web browser, each chat from the right department, multi-agent system, and save time by sending canned responses to the most frequently asked questions. The features that make Wasify stand out are WhatsApp for customer support, unique customer service via WhatsApp in the world, chat with your customers anytime and anywhere, richer communications, send texts, images, videos, audios, and share contacts. Customer care is more personalized, fast, and more efficient from your desktop computer. Wasify uses a mobile number and a WhatsApp account under your name to allow you to easily exchange messages and information with your customers. Also, you can use autoresponders because they allow you to first give an automatic response to your customers when they start a chat. It's very useful for customers who contact you outside of your office hours, or if you want them to first read your terms before proceeding. Wasify lets you search within messages, whether the chat status is open or closed. Your communications will be secure and will be transmitted using the latest generation encryption with 2048-bit SSL certificates. In order to use the Wasify service, you only need a web browser to access the Wasify dashboard, a telephone number, a mobile device with Android system, and WhatsApp installed. The device will always have to be switched on. WhatsApp Marketing. WhatsApp Marketing was born in the UK in 2013 as the first platform for massive messaging via WhatsApp. Its intent was to increase sales and conversions in leads from an average of 3.9% in each marketing campaign using short messages. It provides the possibility of creating contact lists with the mobile phone numbers of your prospects and sends texts, pictures, V-cards, and viral videos to an unlimited number of recipients. These innovative marketing strategies with bulk messages via WhatsApp allow companies to send 1,000 characters per message with pictures or videos, which makes this application a successful alternative to traditional SMS marketing. This website offers multiple limited subscriptions. The greater the number of messages in a subscription, the less the cost per message would be. Some characteristics at WhatsApp Marketing are customized sender ID, only iPhone iOS. Support 24/7, 353 days a year. Live chat. Auto-reply messages for free. Credits never expire. Purchase credits with invoice. Unlimited sending of bulk WhatsApp messages, text messages, audio, video, photos, and V-card. BrainPulse. BrainPulse provides access to a control panel that allows you to upload your own list of targeted audiences and thus run marketing campaigns. It also makes detailed reports available to measure the progress of your campaign in real time. You only need to follow 3 easy steps. 1. Load your own list, and the system will check that the numbers are valid for WhatsApp. 2. Load your campaign in text, image, video, or audio format, and select the list you want to send the message to. 3. Click on Go. Marketers are having a great time with the WhatsApp service, running effective marketing campaigns. Most vendors have a variety of WhatsApp software. These programs are being used as customized tools to help spread campaigns to the right audience. The software performs all its features using one single interface. These programs allow you to send text, picture, video, or audio throughout the campaign. WebXeon. WebXeon is a service provider of images, video, and audio, based in Pune, India. It provides a marketing service inside India and internationally. Their server makes sure you are connected with your customers wherever you may be. It has a network of servers to ensure its effectiveness is 100%. As a service provider in the mobile messaging service of India, it has all the features currently available in the industry. They also offer a special combo for Indian users with promotional credit messages. The features to this combo are: you pay a small fee in exchange for sending a WhatsApp message to anyone around the world. The cost of the messages varies depending on the country. By using the WhatsApp marketing service, you can send text files, images, videos, and audio to promote your product at any time, 24/7 and 365 days a year. 1 credit equals an image, video, text, or audio message.